Hey everybody, game time. This is the fourth and probably final box for a while at least of 2019 Prizm Baseball. Like I explained in the other videos, I'm pretty sucked in by this stuff. I like the parallels. I love that you get 3 autographs. So far haven't been shorted any autographs, so that's good. The parallels are outstanding and the inserts look good too. They are very reminiscent of the 90s inserts, which I loved. I was collecting like a maniac, like I am now, during the 90s, and so they kind of take me back to that time and, you know, reconnect me with cards. And I think that's why a lot of people buy and collect cards. That feeling of maybe playing the game before, collecting before, both. I mean, you know, if you love cards, then you understand. If you don't, then you're like, what the hell are you people doing? Because that's just crazy. But to me, it's not just a little piece of cardboard like it would be to the average person who's never collected. Anywho, would love to get another hot box. I don't know. This is box 4. I mean, 1 hot box out of 4. That sounds about right. 2 out of 4 seems a stretch, but we're about to find out. So let's cut this baby open. I'll know immediately if it's going to be another hot box. I read online that there are different versions of hot boxes. Some give extra autographs. Mine did not. It was just extra parallels, but I was okay with that. I ended up with a stack of parallels that was just incredible. So that was, like I said, a lot of fun. Open for me. And I wouldn't mind doing that again. But it'll be okay if it's regular too, because there's still some really sweet stuff coming out of these boxes. Alright, there it is. A thing of beauty. God, I can still, just looking at this takes me back to walking into the card shop. Here, the card shop that my brother and I used to go to was called Lion and the Unicorn. And I guess they named it that because they also sold, you know, gaming stuff like Dungeons and Dragons and whatnot. It was like a gaming / card shop, which a lot of stores are, and it makes sense to branch out. But I can still remember going in there and just looking at those shelves, just practically drooling. We'd be in there like looking at 97 Bowman Chrome, which had Kerry Wood rookies in it, and just, man, opening those packs, taking a chance. If you got that Kerry Wood rookie refractor back then, oh man, you had something special. I don't think I ever pulled one. No, I didn't pull one. And back then, I could not have afforded a box of 97 Bowman Chrome. I'd had to sell my soul to the devil for that. They cost so much. But anyways, that's what seeing this box reminds me of. I guess I'm feeling really nostalgic today. Alright, let's do this. Looks like it's... oh, wait. It looks like it is, because guess what? I don't think these parallels come in the non-hot boxes. Whoop, whoop! George Springer, Altuve, Urias rookie, starting off with an autograph, Cole Stewart, out of 50, and it is the zebra print. I think we do. There it is. Yes, baby! Hot damn! Ah, good. I can stop buying this stuff now. Cole Stewart, rookie, zebra print auto, out of 50. And then these are exclusive to the hot boxes, and I forgot what they're called, of course. But they look so good. There's Kopech and Matt Olson, a Rodon Blue, Scherzer Brilliance, Red Mojo Bieber, and a Zebra Skin Aaron Hicks. Toussaint and Ortiz. Man, that make mama happy. Happy. Alright, Patrick Wisdom rookie, Malik Smith, Rosario Machado. Our special parallels are Scott Barlow and Derek Rodriguez. Robinson Cano Red, Clayton Kershaw Illumination, Matt Chapman. I was calling this an X-Fractor, and I now, it's right on the tip of my tongue what it's actually called. I'll think about it some more. These are numbered out of 75. I think these are only in hot boxes as well. I haven't pulled one out of a regular box. Bieber Gold Bubbles to 150. And then George Brett and Jacob Nix base cards. Alright. Jeffries. I keep calling him Jeffries every time. Maya Pujols, another autograph. Garrett Hampson. This is a blue rookie auto, Garrett Hampson for the Rockies. So that's 2 autographs already. Maybe we'll get extra autographs this time. Let's see. Chris Sale and Encarnacion. Castillo red, which I pulled in the last box. Yelich Fireworks. Harold Castro rookie gold out of 10. That is sweet. That is really sweet. Nice. That's as good, if not better, than an autograph. Hunter Pence blue Mojo for $3.99. Aaron Judge and Aaron Hicks. 2 Aarons. Alright. Ponce de Leon rookie, Jake K rookie, Brantley, Diaz. Enough of the Shane Bieber. I'm pulling Shane Bieber stuff all over the place. And Robinson Cano. Michael Brantley silver. Arenado Machines. Matt Olson, Mojo, and Ricky Henderson. Nice. Jake Bowers and Patrick Corbin. Mancini, Severino, Bellinger, Allard rookie. Folty. I've decided to call him since I can't say his last name. And Luis Castillo. A blue AJ Pollock. Scorching insert, Mr. Ohtani. Red Mojo, Wilson Ramos, and Bryce Wilson rookie. Out of $2.99 each, respectively. Candelario and Max Muncy. Well, I guess respectively doesn't apply if they're both the same number. So scratch that. I know my trash can's broken. Okay. Barria, Valdez rookie, Kluber. Oh, finally an Illumination silver. I knew this was going to look good, and it did not disappoint. Couldn't wait to see one of these in silver version. That is a thing of beauty. Wow. My special parallels are Austin Wynns rookie and Adrian Beltre. A red Trey Turner. Lumber Inc. Giancarlo. Green Bubbles, Daniel Murphy, and Gonzalez rookie. Out of $1.99 each. Matt Carpenter, Austin Dean rookie. John Lester, Justin Turner, Ortiz, another autograph, Dakota Hudson. This is just the base rookie auto. Alright, so this is autograph 3. If we get any more, then we are lucky and we got a bonus auto. So that is number 3. Sano and Kyle Tucker, rookie. That's a good one. I love Kyle Tucker. Chris Sale, red. Walker Buehler, scorching. Blue Mojo, Framber Valdez, rookie. Very nice. And Ryan Messenger, rookie, gold bubbles to $150. Berrios and Vladimir Guerrero Sr. Not Junior. Senior. Speaking of, I haven't seen Vlad Jr. in this product. Marte, Sano, David Wright, and Brandon Lowe rookie. Marte again, and Justin Turner. Edwin Diaz silver. JD Martinez, Lumber Inc. Ah, nice. An Ohtani silver wave to 60. I dare say this hot box I think is better than the first one. I'm getting a little bit luckier with the players that the caliber of players that I'm pulling on parallels. The first one had tons of stuff, but the players weren't that great. Wendell Green Bubbles to $1.99. Trey Turner and Ryan Sandberg. 4 more packs. Can we score a bonus auto, or are we just going to get tons more goodies? Either way, I am A-OK, brothers and sisters. Merrifield, Archer, Strasburg, Suarez. Josh James rookie, and John Lester. I've pulled lots of John Lester parallels. Ryan Messinger rookie, blue. Numbers game, Mookie Betts. I've already pulled that card before. I wish it was somebody different this time. Connor Sadzek rookie, blue mojo, and Anthony Rizzo. Very nice. Yeah, I'm definitely pulling better players with my parallels. Goldschmidt and Tony Gwynn. Really happy to pull open another hot box. This stuff is a bomb diggity. Jansen rookie, Lindor, Reed Foley rookie, Castellanos, Blake Trinan, and Justin Williams rookie. Scooter blue. Ozzie Albies second. I've already got this 2 or 3 times. Another one of these X-Fractor like parallels. Wade Davis, blue bubble. Oh, nice. Tony Gwynn. Sweet. Carrasco and Roger Clemens. I only got 2 packs left. I don't want to dig in. Oh, Prizm Baseball, I love you. Will you be my boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever? Circle yes or no. Let me know. All right. Joey Gallo, Trevor Williams, Tellez rookie, Scherzer, Wendell and DeGrom. Bieber red. Dang, all this Bieber stuff. Jose Ramirez, Scorching. Another Folty. I'm getting tons of him too. Red Mojo and another John Lester. That's one thing that's a little bothering me. I'm getting so many of the same players. Just different parallels. Why can't I get a Glaber parallel? Gloria rookie. Last pack. Whee! Or an Aaron Judge parallel. That would be sweet. But no, I guess it's not in the cards. Haha, pun intended. Alright, Herrera, Peralta, Nicholas Simmons, and our last goodies are Yarborough and Chris Davis. A Silver Tanner Rainey rookie. A another Stargazing Altuve. Patrick Corbin, Red Mojo, and Jeff McNeil, gold bubbles to, what was that to? Almost dropped it, 150. Did y'all see me catch that? I literally caught it like, it fell like to right here and I just barely caught it. I've got skills, even though I don't play ball anymore. Trevor Richards rookie and Joey Votto. That is it. That was so much fun. Oh my god. For real though. Alright, there's my little stack of regular cards and my stack of insert. So no bonus autos, but that is okay. That's part of the pile of inserts and parallels, and there are the rest. That is a lot of goodies there. A whole lot to sort through to go with my stack from the box I opened yesterday. Whoop whoop. So since none of these are Mike Piazza, you're going to find all this in my eBay store, link below. I try not to advertise my store too much. If anybody wants to go there, they'll know the link is there and they can go there. But if you want any of these, that's where you'll find them. So I want to let you know that. Also, I am not going to try to sell or part out any of the base cards. So I'm going to put one lot on eBay that contains 4 hobby boxes worth of Prizm Baseball. So it's going to be hundreds of base cards. Every rookie, every base card that came out of these 4 boxes is going to be in that lot. So if you are intending on making this set, then you might want to check that out. As you know, base card stuff doesn't sell for much, so you'll probably get it at a good bargain. Do keep in mind, 2 of the boxes were hot boxes, so there are fewer base cards in those than there are the regular boxes, but I'll put the exact total in the listing. Again, links to the store is below if you want that. Yeah, that's about all I have for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want to be notified of future breaks. I was really stupid and trying to tell you guys what was on the horizon, and I couldn't remember. The big thing on the horizon is called Leather and Lumber. I knew it was leather something, but I kept thinking of this Hitter's Ink or whatever insert, and I just totally blacked out. Leather and Lumber is coming up. I'll have that for you guys. Like, wait, there's something else in between that. I did not order Pro Debut yet. I don't know. I might not. But I've got some more goodies on the way. They're surprises. Don't ask. I'm not going to tell you. They're surprises, okay? So that's it. Everybody take care. Hope you're doing well. Love you guys and gals so much. And I will be back with you again soon.